Hello everyone, today we'll look through 10 facts about Notion that you might not know. Notion is a popular productivity tool for many individuals, so without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Notion comes with inbuilt emoji icons for our pages, but do you know we can add GIF instead? So I have opened Jiffy website where we can download GIFs and I have searched one of my favorites and click on share button, click on copy and open the page which you want and click on the emoji button, click on link option and paste the link. Also, you can add a custom cover for your page. Click on add cover, click on change cover, select Unsplash where you will get several images from website called Unsplash. You can actually make a Notion widgets from website called Indify. Log into Indify website and you will see several widgets. Click on a widget you wish to create, give it a name. Here you will get several options to customize your widget. Copy the link below. Open the Notion page where you wanted to paste it. Paste and create embed and adjust the size as per your wish. You might already know that the share option in Notion will help you to share the page link, and also the one who see the page can duplicate it and edit as per their wish. Do you know that there is a website called super.so using which you can make it responsive and share it as a web page? Log into the super.so web page and you will see this dashboard. Click on the new site and give your site a name and paste your Notion page link here. Make sure you have choose the free site and select create. Super.so gives you several options to customize your website from navbar to foodbar and adding your own domains. Also, you can click on this link so you can share it with your friends. Have you felt like Notion lacks space, fonts and size of text? Yes, look at this. It is a small portion of the entire screen. So you can click on this button so the sidebar will shrink. And click on option button from top right corner and click on small text and full width so you can get entire width of the screen. You can also change the style by clicking the fonts above, but I guess I will stick with the default one. I always hated to repeat my tasks, especially when I want to take a quick note in a pre-built structure. You can actually make a template button to create the same template over and over again without any extra effects. For that, you have to create a block called template button. And I'm gonna copy all these blocks into the template. Paste the block here. Click on the close bar and I'm deleting this portion. Now you can see add a new to do, and by clicking you can see the blocks we have copied into the templates. When your page becomes more and more bulky with content, you can create a toggle to add everything in a drop down menu so your page will look more cleaner. Also, you can find new templates from notion.so/templates. The link will be in the description. Choose a template you want and click on duplicate template button. I'm actually interested to see motivational contents on my dashboard. You can actually make a gallery of images or grid of images. Now I have imported few motivational words by Steve Jobs and the desk setup I want to build. Now I'm actually going to make an inline database of gallery. Now as you can see, I have copied all of my images into this gallery view. Now I want to edit it so I can see the image so clearly and in a large size. So click on the three buttons option menu and click on the card preview and change into page content, and click on card size to large and click on fit image so I can see it perfectly clear. Tip number 7. You can connect your Google Forms into Notion database. We have already made a video about it. Take a look at it from the info card, also known as the I button on top right corner of this video. It is a simpler and easier way I found to integrate my Google Forms and Notion whenever I wanted to manage my books. This is the database I have made it for the demonstration purposes, and in Forms I have created a new entry where I want to read Steve Jobs' autobiography by Walter Isaacson. By clicking the submit button, I can see that new entry in my database here. If you are a Mac user, you will be familiar about Spotlight used to find apps and files from the system. You can actually use Command P or Control P to search in Notion, which is more faster than clicking and finding the file we are looking for. Also, you can use square open bracket to go backward and square close bracket to go forward by clicking Command or Control in your respective devices. For much more shortcuts, watch this video from the info card sessions. The ninth thing you might don't know about Notion will be using @ symbol to mention people so you can attach a message for them. Also you can use hashtag to insert heading instead of inserting from the blocks. For the pro users, if you click the top right corner option button, you have a page history option where you can see all the updates you have made for that page. Also, there is an option to lock page so you won't change the data by mistake. You can also click on the favorite button so the important pages of yours will be shown on the top of the other pages. And also there is a all updates button where you can see all the updates from the entire workspace.